Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today we are making prawns Koliwada. And let me give you a warning. This prawns Koliwada, this recipe is so amazing, delicious and crispy that you might just become the prawn star for your next dinner party. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin. Here I have 20 to 25 medium size prawns which I have deveined and washed thoroughly. And now before we marinate them with our traditional spices, let's season them. So here goes in some salt. I'll squeeze in half lime juice followed by 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And now I'll gently mix it with my hands and I will set it aside for marination for around 15 minutes while I prepare the green watan. Now watan is nothing but a green masala paste, okay, for which I'll need a handful of fresh coriander leaves followed by 4 green chilies. Now I've taken a mixture of dark green and light green chilies followed by 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. Now I'll grind this into a smooth paste. And now let's start marinating our prawns with this traditional green watan. So here goes in 1.5 tablespoon of the green watan that I prepared, followed by our dried spices. So here goes in 1.5 teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, followed by half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of dried mango powder, that's amchur. Now the dried mango powder, that's amchur powder, it gives a nice tanginess to our prawns Koliwada. Here goes in half teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. And also I'll be adding in a little bit of black salt and a pinch of hing. And now let's mix it well. And here we also need a nice coating for the prawns while we fry them. So for that I'll be taking 1.5 tablespoon of fine gram flour and 1.5 tablespoon of cornflour. You can also add rice flour, but cornflour gives a nice crispiness to our prawns. And again, let's mix this well. And once you mix this well, you can keep it aside in a refrigerator to marinate for at least 15 minutes. Post which we'll start deep frying it. Now in a kadai or a pot, you can take oil required for deep frying. And once the oil is hot, you can start deep frying the prawns. Now just a few tips while deep frying the prawns. Make sure that the oil is not very hot. While you're dropping in the prawns, make sure that the flame is low. And also remember, don't clutter the pot with too many prawns. Just add in 4 to 5 prawns at a time, or else the prawns might stick together or the masala might lose from the prawns. So just make sure that you don't clutter the pot too much with the prawns. And also remember that prawns don't take much time to cook. It gets cooked within 1 minute. It's just that the outer coating needs to be cooked. And that's it. Within few minutes, your prawns Koliwada is ready. You can serve it hot, sprinkle some chaat masala, serve it with a green chutney and few onions. So that's about it, guys. Do let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe and let me know if you're going to try this. And remember one thing, life is too short to skip out on good food, and especially this prawns Koliwada you must try. My name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.